Get ready for the ultimate breeze-off between these two cool contenders. In the marble corner, we have the PayU Personal Handheld Fan, versus in the wood corner, we have the Jisoo Life Portable Neck Fan. This showdown is sure to blow you away. Let's get started by looking a little bit closer at the PayU Handheld Fan. This pocket-sized powerhouse is the perfect companion for those sweltering days that you need to be out and about and stay cool. With its sleek design and six settings, it's like having a personal AC unit in your hand. In addition to being a handheld option, you can set it on a hard surface and adjust the head so that you get the flow of air exactly where you want it. This is a rechargeable fan. It has a C-port connection, and on the digital display, it will let you know as the percentage of battery goes down so that you will know right when it's time to recharge it. Now, let's get a little more familiar with the Jisoo Life Portable Neck Fan. Now, this is the cool kid on the block because it is a completely hands-free option. Whether you want to cook, clean, garden, whatever your activity is, you're going to be completely hands-free. This is also a rechargeable fan with a C-port connection, and it's extremely quiet. So which side of the wind are you on? Do you prefer the PayU handheld fan, which gives you that blast of coolness in the palm of your hand, or the Jisoo Life portable neck fan for the ultimate hands-free breeze? No matter your choice, you are sure to be the coolest person around this summer.